Today we are exploring Advent of Code 2023, Day 9, Mirage Maintenance. I am going to show you 30 lines of code which solve it in 30 milliseconds. Let's dive in. Each line in this report contains the history of a single value. We must find a prediction of the next value. To do this, we start by making a new sequence from the difference at each step in our history. If that sequence is not all zeros, repeat this process using the sequence we just generated as the input sequence. Once all of the values in our latest sequence are zeros, we can extrapolate what the next value in the original history should be. To extrapolate, we start by adding a new zero to the end of our list of zeros, because the zeros represent differences between the two values above them. This also means that there is now a placeholder in every sequence above it. We can start filling the placeholders from the bottom up. The next value of the history is the newly added element, the last element, to the original sequence. The answer for the first part is the sum of these extrapolated values. In the second part, we are asked to extrapolate backwards as well. For each history, we repeat the process of finding differences until the sequence of differences is entirely zero. Then, rather than adding a zero to the end and filling in the next values of each previous sequence, we instead add a zero to the beginning of our sequence of zeros, and then fill in first values for each previous sequence. We can also combine the first and the second part of the puzzle together and run the code. That's all I have for you today. If you have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. Thank you.